our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this footstool. So for this project you need first of all the base, which is a piece of wood. If you look in the description down below you'll see exactly what you need to make this footstool. I'm going to take my wood first of all and place it on top of my foam, and then I'm going to cut along the edge. Once I've done this, I'm going to take the padding, which is here, and I'm going to just place it over the top of everything, glue it into place with the spray glue, and then I'm going to get my staple gun and staple the padding all around the edge and staple it into position so that nothing can move. So now I'm going to close the fold. This fold I've already done, and I've done it with a blanket stitch so you can't see where the cotton is. I'm also using a red cotton. It's a bit thicker than a normal thread that you use in the sewing machine. It's extra used for upholstery. So if we turn it around now, this is the one that I've already done. Turn it around. Then we can see here the open fold, which I don't like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to do a blanket stitch. I'm going to pull my thread, tuck that underneath so we can't see it anymore. So where I've come out, I'm going to go in exactly opposite. Then I'm going to go down 1/2 centimetre. I'm going to pull it down. Then I'm going in exactly opposite where I've come out, and also exactly the same, and I'm going down 1/2 centimetre. And again, exactly opposite, in and down 1/2 centimetre. Now I'm going to do that all the way down, right to the bottom, and then you'll see in the fast motion movie now how I've finished it at the bottom as well. The next thing for me to do is to attach the legs to the base. These are some legs that I've brought online. They have this fixture at the end of it. The fixture is screwed onto the base, and then we can just screw the leg in. To attach the fixture, the first thing Seb's going to do is going to measure in 8.5 centimetres from each side. So here's the footstool or the ottoman. What we're going to do now is all our furniture is made of teak, so the legs aren't dark enough for us. So we're going to take a wood stain and we're going to stain them dark to match all our teak furniture. So now we're going to take out the screws, we're going to screw the legs back in, and then we're going to add this foot protector onto the bottom of the feet. So, and here's the finished footstool, and it's just right for me to enjoy a day in the sun.